Hello. Continuing the geometry concept. The next shape that I would like you to try it out with your children, again using the pipe cleaners, which I said comes in different colors and are flexible. So you could ask them to create a particular shape that has no corners. Now that they've understood what corners mean, ask them to create a shape that has no corners. So they might go around, making different shapes, try it out. When they said no corners, so they just kind of, decipher and come to something which looks something like this. And they try to straighten out the edges and come out with something like this. And then ask them what this shape looks like, because this is something which they're familiar with. So this is a circle. A circle has no corners. A circle has no sides. And does a circle have diagonal? Let's look. Diagonal is something that we draw from one corner to join the other corner. Is this possible? We don't have a corner at all, so there is no diagonal possible in a circle. So don't stop just with that. Ask them what are the different things that they can, kind of give examples for a circle. So they could come up with something like, okay, yes, the biscuit, the Marie biscuit looks like a circle. Maybe the plate that I eat in looks circular. Maybe the bindi that Mrs. Raman is wearing here looks circular. So they could come up with various examples of what a circle is. They could even say, okay, in the traffic light, I actually see that the red, amber and green are actually circles represented there. It could also be that they could say, yes, I think on a full moon night, I see that the moon is full and it is circular. So they could come up with various examples based on what their knowledge has been or a previous knowledge. So give them lots of ideas, give them lots of opportunities. There is no right or wrong. If the child says, my mama's chapati is circular, and another child says, no, my mama's chapati is triangular. Maybe that mom makes it in the form of a paratha, and this mom, so ask them to explain why they think it is triangular and why they think it is circular. Give them various opportunities to try out these things. So a quick recap: circle has no corners or no sides. There are no diagonals possible in a circle. So if I have to ask you that, yes, I have a circular cake and I want to make 8 pieces of that particular cake with only 3 cuts possible. Cut means with the knife I cut this out. Please try this puzzle out and tell me if you have got it right. Once again, a quick recap. I said a circular cake. I want 8 pieces, but I'm allowed to use the knife only 3 times in terms of cutting the cake. So I can cut it once, I can cut it twice, and I cut it thrice. So I get 6 pieces. But my puzzle or the question is it possible for me to use the knife to cut the circular cake only thrice to get 8 such pieces? Try this out with your children. Thank you.